Hello there, today I'm going to do a quick video on how to refresh your beeswax wraps. So we find after about 6 to 8 months, depending on how regularly you use them, we find people say that maybe they feel a little bit more like fabric. They've maybe lost their oomph a bit, so they just don't cling as well to the things that you wrap. You might find that if you use it for maybe a similar sized bowl all the time, you'll get a bit more wearing in a specific area. So a really simple how-to on getting another year out of your beeswax wraps. All you'll need is a tea towel just to protect your ironing board, 2 sheets of baking paper that are about 2 centimetres bigger than your wrap. So sheet of baking paper, your beeswax wrap that you want to refresh, and then a sheet of baking paper on top. And then I've just got my iron here and it's on a medium heat, so not too hot. Wax melts at about 60 degrees. Just pop your iron on top. And already you can see that the wax has started to melt. So what this is going to do is just redistribute the wax and revive it. I think when people buy beeswax wraps, they always wonder how good an investment they'll be, and what you'll find is that they will last you for a really long time. So I've got wraps that are 6 years old now. They're super simple, just do one more roll over it. Yeah, it's looking nice now. There we go. Right, what I'll do is I'm going to just let that cool, and then once it's cooled you can peel it off the baking paper. Right, so once it's cooled down, all you need to do is peel off the paper. Ta-da! Super simple and really clean as well, so no wax hanging around. And there you go. A beautiful, re-waxed, refreshed, revived and beautifully sticky beeswax wrap.